Data science and data analytics are the buzzwords going around. Data is like oil to the industries. It's collected into raw form and processed according to the requirements of an organization. And then that data is used for decision-making purposes. This process is meant to help the business to grow into the market. Increasing focus on data analysis that is both employable and beneficent, it is imperative to ask the right questions, to gather the right data to address those questions, and then to design the right analysis to answer those questions. In the framing of a problem, you must ask the right questions and lay out critical assumptions. For example, is the goal of a new initiative to drive more revenue or more profit? The choice leads to huge difference in the analysis and actions that follow. Is all data required available, or is it necessary to collect some more data? Without framing the problem, the rest of the work is useless. For a great analysis, we frame the problem correctly. So this includes assessing the data correctly, developing a solid analysis plan, and taking into account the various technical and practical considerations in play. We can analyze any business problem for two issues: statistical significance, in other words, how the problem is statistically important for decision making, and two, business importance, how the problem is related to the business and its importance. In business, information is power, and big data is providing information we couldn't have dreamed of collecting or analyzing just a few short years ago. With the massive growth in big data, plus the rapidly evolving methods to analyzing data, the importance of data across every aspect of business will only increase. Organizations that view data as a strategic asset and develop robust data and analytic strategies are the ones that will be successful in this new data-driven world. Essentially, all of us in business should be increasing our focus on data analytics.